Hello, how are y'all doing? I hope you're all doing great. My name is Manuela and today I'm glad that you're here, okay, because today I'm very excited to talk to you and introduce you to a new weight loss supplement that might be the solution to you, okay, especially if you are someone that has always struggled with weight loss. You look in the mirror and you don't like what you see, but you really don't know what else to do, because maybe you are already doing diets, you are going to the gym, but there is something wrong, with the way that your body is working. There is something wrong, and that's the reason why you're not able to actually lose weight or just like maintain a healthy weight. And that's why I want to introduce you to Nagano Lean Body Tonic, because this is a weight loss supplement that can actually help you to solve this issue, okay? Nagano has an amazing, super powerful and unique technique and formula that can actually help you a lot, okay? This supplement has been helping already thousands of people. So if you really want to get to know more about it, how it can actually work for you, its benefits, its ingredients and formula, okay, just keep watching this video, because I will tell you everything you really need to know about Nagano Lean Body Tonic before you actually buy it, okay? And I have some really important alerts about this supplement as well, so really just keep watching this video, okay? The most important part about Nagano that I want to talk to you about, I will tell you straightforward right now. That is where you should order the supplement from, okay? Because Nagano Lean Body Tonic has gotten super famous on the internet. Many people are searching for it, and there are people selling fake products on the internet. So for you to get the original supplement, I want to warn you that the official Nagano Lean Body Tonic website is in this video's description. So just remember that, keep that in mind, and make sure to make a safe and secure purchase of the original supplement only from this official website that is linked in this video's description. So guys, this formula can truly transform your body because it is mainly gonna work on boosting your metabolism, okay? Many people who are overweight don't even know that their metabolism is kind of asleep, So all of the ingredients that are inside Nagano's formula, they are going to be working for you to boost and accelerate, to really awake your metabolism, okay? And with that, you will turn your body into basically a fat burning machine. Okay, but not only that, because with all of the ingredients that are all natural, okay, all of Nagano's ingredients come from nature, so vitamins, minerals, nutrients, stuff like that are going to be super great for your body and for your health. They are going to work on your metabolism, but they are also going to work on your energy. They are going to work on minimizing your cravings. They are going to work also on like your digestive system, your sleep quality, okay? This formula really can help you with lots of stuff. And its formula also tastes delicious, okay? Because Nagano comes in a powder-like formula, so all you gotta do with it is just take 1 scoop every single day, just mix it in your water, in your juice, that's up to you, but mix it and drink it every single day for you to get the most optimized results, okay? Because as it is natural, it can take your body to really adapt to the supplement, and then you get to the best results. But I'm pretty sure that if you just be committed to it, take it for at least 3 months, okay? I would say from 3 to 6 months so that you really can adapt to the formula. Just take it every day and you are going to be noticing amazing results, okay? Right there on the official website, you can check out that the best offers for you really are the 3-bottle option and the 6-bottle option, because besides being the full ideal treatment time, they also come with the best discounts for you. They come with free shipping if I'm not mistaken, and they also come with amazing free bonuses for you, okay guys? And another great thing about it is that you are going to see that you are backed by a 180-day money-back guarantee. So you really can test the formula, see how you adapt to it, if you like it or not. I'm pretty sure that you will be amazed by it, but you can just test it. If you don't like it, just ask for a full refund, guys, okay? But my final advice, just give it a shot. Start your treatment, go there to their official website, check out more detailed information about its formula, about its benefits, check out feedbacks from people who have been trying Nagano, and just give it a shot. Don't forget to also make the purchase only from there to actually make a safe and secure purchase of the original product. Okay guys, thank you so much for listening.